Hey guys, Mr. Plant Geek here. I'm going to show you how to plant up today's TSV into the urn container that is also available on the QVC website. First of all, you want to fill your container with a good quality multi-purpose compost such as Richard Jackson's compost from the QVC website. This includes extra vitamins, minerals and also moisture retentive properties, so it means that you'll need to water your containers a lot less. So we're going to fill the container a few inches from the base and we're going to leave about 6 inches there for us to then plant our lilies into. So we've got the lily pack here, which includes Cali, which is a pure white variety, and Triumphata, which is a pink blushed variety. We're going to plant those in 2 layers though, which means that you will get longer displays from your lily bulbs, and also you can fit more into a smaller space too. Plus, they'll be self-supporting. So we're putting that first layer in and then covering with another inch of compost on the top. So this is pretty much lasagna planting style here. Next, we're going to put our second layer of lily bulbs into the container. As a general rule, make sure that you plant bulbs 3 times their own depth when planting into compost or the soil outdoors. So we've got our second layer in there. But that's not all. On the top, we're going to cover those lily bulbs over again with the compost, another inch of compost on top, and then we're going to keep going up until the rim of the urn container. Once we're getting up near to the top, we're going to plant a hydrangea on the top. This is Red Baron, which is also from Montrose. We're going to plant that right into the top of our urn container, and then when the lilies grow, they're going to grow through the hydrangea, giving you this wonderful display of lilies in white and pink, and a hydrangea with lovely red blooms as well. Everything fitting into a very small space in your garden, and it's the perfect marriage of 2 of the UK's favourite flowers, lilies and hydrangeas. So we're going to fill around with that compost too. So now we've got that layering effect. We've got lilies, 2 layers, we've got Cali, we've got Triumphata, and we've also got Hydrangea Red Baron right on the top, and that's all in this gorgeous decorative urn ready to go onto your patio or balcony.